Join us as we explore some of the most exciting features of DJI Mavic 3. Mavic 3 features a stunning Hasselblad camera with a 4/3 CMOS sensor. Having such a large sensor on a drone of this size is an absolute novelty. Compared to smaller sized sensors, it lets you capture images at higher dynamic range and better low-light performance. The 5.1K video resolution gives you incredible details and provides plenty of room for resizing and reframing in post. Mavic 3 delivers epic slow-motion shots with up to 120 frames per second in 4K. To get the most out of your footage, Mavic 3 Cine uses the Apple ProRes 422 HQ codec, which is the industry standard for high-quality video. Together with the 10-bit color depth and D-Log image profile, it opens up a professional level of editing flexibility. Mavic 3 Cine makes sure you don't run out of storage by integrating a massive 1 terabyte SSD drive directly into the drone. If you prefer professional-looking results without post-processing, the Hasselblad Natural Color solution provides incredibly rich and accurate colors straight from the camera. But Mavic 3 doesn't just have one camera. Explore mode unlocks an additional half-inch sensor telecamera for up to 28 times zoom. With the attachable wide-angle lens, you're finally able to shoot still images and video at an impressive 15.5 millimeters. The new DJI RC Pro controller offers a more precise and convenient control experience, along with a crisp, ultra-bright display. To perfectly frame your shots, reliable video transmission is crucial. The O3 Plus video transmission makes sure your connection stays smooth, even over long distances or in complex environments. Mavic 3 stays in the air for up to 46 minutes, so you don't have to worry about missing the perfect shot anymore because of low battery. Multiple visual sensors enable accurate recognition of objects omnidirectionally. That means Mavic 3 can automatically sense and avoid obstacles during flight, even when moving sideways and backwards. This also allows ActiveTrack 5.0 to be more advanced than ever before, providing safe and reliable tracking even of fast-moving subjects in complex environments. It also enables Mavic 3's advanced return-to-home function, as it combines these sensory capabilities with real-time data to intelligently plan and fly an optimum route back to the home point. The Master Shots function automates complex aerial movements and allows anyone to get professional-looking shots. With its powerful camera performance, intelligent safety features, and some of our most advanced flight technologies ever, the new DJI Mavic 3 is a must-have for professional content creators. This is imaging above everything. This is DJI Mavic 3.
We put in a lot of effort to come up with a precise shape that lets you fly for as long as possible. We needed the shape of the propellers to work in harmony with the motors. All the work we put into creating optimal propellers resulted in a very quiet drone. The smart battery features sensors designed to monitor its wear and tear and optimize the battery life. You can also check the battery level at any moment using the LED indicators. Its agile frame resists winds up to 31 miles per hour, and its powerful propulsion helps it reach impressive speeds up to 33 miles per hour, without sacrificing on image quality or losing stability.
We equipped each drone leg with dual-band antenna, creating an omnidirectional system with unparalleled transmission performances.
FreeFlight 6 was designed keeping users in mind at all times. With a new interface, you'll be able to progress further and deeper in the piloting and imaging settings, going from the automatic to professional mode.
Piloting an AFI is fun and safe. We created a drone that is powered by cutting-edge AI. and can follow you on the go without you piloting the drone, thanks to CineShots and smart dronies.
A complex work environment requires complex tools. That's why the EVO2 Enterprise is smarter, safer, and tailored for every operation, while still being lightweight, compact, and easy to operate. Tackle any work condition with the remote control's large screen and high brightness, which make flying effortless and intuitive. Handle any workload with 42 minutes of flight time and the ability to pilot from up to 8 miles away. Equipped with a spotlight, megaphone, strobe light, and RTK module, the Enterprise series provides everything you need to take on any challenge with confidence. Use the high-powered megaphone to easily communicate with crew across work sites and provide vital instructions during emergencies. Or equip the RTK module to provide centimeter-accurate location data, enabling you to map or perform inspections with remarkable precision. Power up the strobe lights to reveal the drone's position at night, ensuring airspace safety and drone visibility from up to 3 miles away. Turn on the high-intensity spotlight to enhance safety in dim conditions or aid in search and rescue missions. No matter the scenario, enjoy additional peace of mind with the Enterprise series' built-in ADS-B receiver, which alerts users to the presence of nearby aircraft, allowing them to take evasive maneuvers well before disaster strikes. Further enhance safety with an omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system to limit collisions in complex environments, and powerful data encryption to ensure every detail of your flight stays private. Smart, safe, and efficient, this is the EVO2 Enterprise. This is the future.
This is Mavic Air 2. You may have some questions, like,
So what's different?
well, let's start with the larger sensor. There's a lot more pixels, 48 megapixels to be exact, which means you can do this. And then shoot a hyperlapse in 8K. With Smart Photo, every shot is a masterpiece.
Yeah, but photos aren't really my thing.
Don't worry, we've got you covered. It also does 4K 60p video. You can also slow things down. Way-do. And yes, there's HDR video.
How's the flight time?
It's fantastic. You're looking at up to 34 minutes in the air, a new record for the Mavic series. We've added OcuSync 2.0, so you can fly longer and see clearer.
What if I'm not a great pilot?
That's where Focus Track comes in, so you can fly like a pro. Or just press a button. Here's the best part: automatic obstacle avoidance.
Okay, but what do I do with all these shots?
Here's an idea. Use the DJI Fly app to edit and share your moments with just a tap. So, what's different? A whole lot.
Introducing DJI FPV. The world's first ready-to-fly FPV drone that lets users of any skill level feel the thrill of immersive flight. We've also revolutionized the FPV experience by creating the DJI Motion Controller, a compact device that enables ultra-intuitive flight based purely on hand motions. With the standard remote controller, 3 distinct flight modes offer multiple options for anyone to fly FPV. Start with N mode for an immersive experience with traditional flight controls. S mode simplifies FPV controls for an exciting hybrid flight. Activate M mode to unlock unlimited flight controls. Now the only boundaries are your skills and imagination. No matter which controller or flight mode you're using, enable emergency brake and hover with one tap to stop and hover in place. The Return to Home button will bring the drone back automatically to its starting location and land it safely. The new DJI O3 transmission system delivers crystal clear, hyper-immersive image quality with ultra-low latency. DJI FPV also features a robust modular design. The fully integrated camera records every breathtaking move in crisp detail, putting you right in the middle of the scene thanks to a super wide 150-degree FOV. Footage stays super smooth thanks to integrated rock-steady technology. This is DJI FPV.